Sindbad was not born a sailor. He was a rich merchant's son from the bustling city of Baghdad. Life was easy, filled with comfort and luxury. But Sindbad's heart yearned for adventure, for the unknown lands beyond the horizon. The stories of faraway places, told by traveling merchants, ignited a fire within him. One day, a merchant arrived in Baghdad with tales of unbelievable riches from distant lands. Sindbad, captivated by these stories, decided to leave behind his comfortable life and embark on a journey of his own. He sold his share of the family business and bought a ship. With a heart full of hope and a touch of fear, he set sail into the vast ocean. Sindbad's first voyage was filled with excitement and wonder. He sailed for many days, encountering storms and calm seas, until he reached a mysterious island. As he and his crew explored, they discovered that the island was home to giant creatures. Fear gripped the sailors, but Sindbad, with his courage, managed to outsmart the giants and escape with treasures. Returning to Baghdad, Sindbad was hailed as a hero. But the allure of the sea was stronger than ever. He set sail again, this time to a land of legends, the Valley of Diamonds. The journey was perilous, but Sindbad's determination led him to the valley. With clever planning, he managed to collect precious diamonds and return home safely. Greed, a dangerous companion, pulled Sindbad back to the sea. His third voyage took him to a terrifying island inhabited by cannibals. Faced with life-threatening danger, Sindbad used his intelligence to escape. He not only survived but also brought back valuable goods. Undeterred by past perils, Sindbad embarked on his fourth voyage. This time, he encountered a magical bird with the ability to speak. The bird became Sindbad's loyal companion, guiding him through treacherous waters and revealing hidden treasures. Sindbad's fifth journey was filled with enchantment. He discovered a land where a magical horse could fly. With the help of the flying horse, he explored unreachable places, finding unimaginable riches. Driven by insatiable curiosity, Sindbad ventured into the depths of the ocean in a glass vessel. He discovered an underwater kingdom, filled with strange creatures and glittering treasures. But the pressure of the deep sea almost claimed his life. Sindbad's seventh voyage was his most challenging. He sailed to a land covered in ice, where he encountered fierce polar bears and endured freezing temperatures. With great difficulty, he found a way to escape and return home. Returning from his final voyage, Sindbad was older and wiser. He had faced unimaginable dangers, discovered hidden worlds, and amassed great wealth. Yet, the sea continued to call to him. Sindbad spent his remaining years sharing his incredible adventures with others. His stories became legendary, inspiring countless people to dream of distant lands and explore the unknown. He was no longer just a merchant's son, he was Sindbad the Sailor, a name that would echo through the ages.